Hi, how you doing? Stu Simone here, Rock Real Estate. I'll give you a little tip, save money on your taxes and even some potential legal protection. File a homestead declaration if you haven't already. You can get the form online for free. You have to make an appointment now to come down to unless you go to Norwalk. I think even Norwalk you have to make an appointment. Look for the LA County Registrar Recorder office near you. Go make an appointment online. It has to be signed and notarized. So get this thing signed and notarized, and you'll get $7,000 less on your appraisal. So your taxes will be less. Also, you're going to want to go to the assessor's office with the exclusion form. That's in a different location. It will not be here. That will be at the assessor's office. The one I go to, North District, is in Sylmar, actually, almost going to Santa Clarita. So check that out. All right, so I thought I'd give you this little tip. Have a great day and save some money.